are a first time voter.
Yes, I'm first. My first vote. It is
First vote. So how happy are you? How excited and how happy are you?
very much excited. I am.
You can see that she's beaming with pride and very proudly she displays this ink mark. She has just cast her vote. The festival of democracy has begun. 102 Lok Sabha constituencies, including Udhampur Lok Sabha seat, are going to the polls today. Right now, I am standing at a polling booth in Udhampur Lok Sabha constituency of Jammu and Kashmir, and you can see that people have lined up here to exercise their democratic right. Early morning, people have come to cast their votes. And as far as this Lok Sabha seat is concerned, there are 12 candidates in the fray, but the main contest is between BJP's Dr. Jitendra Singh and Congress Party's candidate Chaudhry Lal Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh won from this seat in 2014. He won for the second time in 2019, and now he is eyeing a hat-trick of victories. As far as Congress Party's candidate Chaudhry Lal Singh is concerned, he is also a two-time MP from this Lok Sabha seat. He won in 2004. He won again in 2009. So it's a clash of titans. The BJP claims that they are going to score a hat-trick of victories, but the Congress Party says that they will stop the victory march of the BJP. We will speak to the voters here who have come to cast their votes. Here you can see that one of the voters has just come out after exercising her democratic right. Your good name, ma'am?
Yes, बिल्कुल.
Your good name?
Yeah, मेरा राधा.
राधा, tell me one thing that मन में कितनी प्रसन्नता है आपको कि आप वोट डालने पहुंचे हैं, कितनी खुशी है?
बिल्कुल बहुत खुशी और मेरा तो फर्स्ट टाइम वोट था.
अच्छा, आप फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर हैं?
हाँ जी.
तो काफी उत्साहित हैं उसको लेकर और काफी मन में प्रसन्नता होगी?
हाँ बिल्कुल सर.
अच्छा, तो अमूमन देखा जाता है कि युवा वर्ग के लोग जो हैं वोट डालने से कतराते हैं और समझते हैं कि आज छुट्टी का दिन है, चलो सैर सपाटे पे चलते हैं. क्या संदेश होगा आपका उनके लिए?
हाँ, मैंने पहले भी बोला कि उनको आना चाहिए, छुट्टी तो बाद में भी कर सकते हैं, तो आज के दिन उनको आके वोट देना चाहिए.
अच्छा, राधा जी मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि ये जो लोकसभा के चुनाव है इनमें मुख्य मुद्दा क्या रहेगा जिसको ध्यान में रखते हुए लोग वोट डालेंगे?
एम्प्लॉयमेंट कि यूथ का तो मेनली यही है कि हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
रोजगार एक अहम विषय.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, तो क्या अपील करेंगे आप सभी जो युवा वर्ग के लोग हैं?
मैं उनसे यही अपील करूंगी कि वो छुट्टियां बाकी दिनों में भी कर सकते हैं, आज आके वोट दें.
एक बार आप अपने वो निशान दिखा दीजिए. You can see that she is beaming with pride and very proudly she displays this ink mark. She has just cast her vote and she is sending out a message. She is saying that that youth should come out in large numbers and exercise their democratic right. We will speak to some more voters here. आपका शुभ नाम?
रामपाल शर्मा.
रामपाल जी, आप यही उधमपुर के रहने वाले हैं. मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि यहाँ पर जो लोकसभा के चुनाव हो रहे हैं इनमें मुख्य मुद्दा क्या रहेगा इन चुनाव?
मुख्य मुद्दा तो बेरोजगारी है.
अच्छा, बेरोजगारी.
हाँ, बेरोजगारी है. अच्छा. बाकी मोदी साहब ने हमारे बहुत अच्छे काम किए हैं. जो राम मंदिर है, तो उसके बाद जो 370 का मेन हमारा था, जो हिंदुओं का मेन जो 370 था, उन्होंने ये काम कोई नहीं कर सकता था.
अच्छा, तो ये आप समझते हैं कि श्री राम जी का जो मंदिर बना है, 370 जो हटी है, ये अहम मुद्दे रहेंगे ये भी चुनाव में?
बिल्कुल ये अहम रहेंगे. ये हमारा राम मंदिर बनना ही नहीं था, 500 साल का मुद्दा चल रहा था. ये मोदी साहब की है और बाहर कंट्रियों को मानते हैं. ये हमारे बड़ लीडर है ये. हाँ जी. हाँ,
ठीक है, ठीक है. वी विल स्पीक टू सम मोर वोटर्स हियर. जी भाई साहब, आप बताइए आपका नाम?
सुभाष चंद्र सर.
आप यहीं उधमपुर के रहने वाले हैं. मुझे बताइए कि उधमपुर की जनता के लिए मुख्य मुद्दा क्या रहेगा?
मुख्य मुद्दा यही है साहब, मोदी साहब ने बहुत अच्छे काम किए, इसलिए उनका हम धन्यवाद करते हैं.
अच्छा,
जी सर.
और कोई आप विषय समझते हैं जिस पर काम करने की आवश्यकता है?
हाँ, बेरोजगार की थोड़ा है.
बेरोजगारी की समस्या पर.
हाँ जी सर.
जी आप बताइए भाई साहब, आपका नाम? आप बताइए आपका नाम?
सर नरेश कुमार.
नरेश जी, मुझे बताइए कि उधमपुर की जनता के लिए मुख्य मुद्दा क्या रहेगा इन चुनाव में?
मुख्य मुद्दा जो है डेवलपमेंट का.
विकास
बड़ा अच्छा हुआ है सर. तो अभी थोड़ा है और बाकी 370 खत्म हुआ है.
ये भी 370 मुद्दा रहेगा इन चुनाव में?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So you can see that people are saying that that the abrogation of Article 370 is a main issue in these elections. Unemployment is also an issue. You can see that women voters have also come out in large numbers to exercise their democratic right. जी आप बताइए आपका नाम?
विशाखा रैना. विशाखा रैना.
विशाखा जी, मुझे बताइए इन चुनावों में मुख्य मुद्दा क्या रहेगा?
कि हम गरीबी हटाएं इस देश की.
जी आप बताइए आपका नाम?
मानसी.
मानसी जी, मुझे बताइए, आप पहली बार वोट डालने आए?
Yes, पहली बार.
So you are a first time voter.
Yes, my first vote. It is.
First vote. So how happy are you? How excited and how happy are you?
Very much excited I am right now.
Okay. So it gives you goosebumps?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So what will be your message to the youth? Because generally it's observed that the youngsters prefer to stay at home or they go out for some outing and they enjoy the holiday. What will be your message for them?
That come on the polling stations and cast your first vote because we all know that one vote has one value.
So tell me one thing, that what will be the main issue in these elections according to you?
It's of course women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Yes, sir.
What else?
Right now I can only.
So you are right now, very excited.
Yeah, of course I'm very
You are
excited.
about to cast your vote. So tell me one thing, that you have come early in the morning. You could have come later also. But what made you think?
College after that.
Okay. So once again, I will just ask you that what will be your message to the people who don't come out to vote?
That please come to the polling stations and cast your votes because we all know that one vote has one value. So please come and cast your vote.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So very important message she has sent out. She is saying that every vote is important in a democracy. Every vote counts. So it's important that people come out in large numbers, exercise their democratic right. So polling has begun here in Udhampur Lok Sabha constituency of Jammu and Kashmir. As I said that there are 12 candidates in the fray, but the main contest is between BJP's Dr. Jitendra Singh and Congress Party's candidate Chaudhry Lal Singh. 16.23 lakh voters are going to decide the fate of these candidates, and there has been a high decibel campaign here in Jammu and Kashmir in last 2 weeks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came, Yogi Adityanath came, they campaigned for the BJP candidate Dr. Jitendra Singh, while on the other hand the Congress candidate also travelled across the length and breadth of this constituency. There were star campaigners of the Congress party as well. Actor turned politician Raj Babbar came here. He addressed a rally. Sachin Pilot also addressed a rally in favor of the Congress. Now the people have to decide the fate of these candidates. But we spoke to the voters here. They are saying that unemployment is an issue in these elections. Abrogation of Article 370 is also an issue. So is the construction of Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram's temple in Ayodhya. So the festival of democracy has begun. People have started lining up outside the polling booths to exercise their democratic right. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.